By the way, he's using live water, natural spices for soup.
Little salt.
Yeah. Sous chef.
It's salted. The way it is, this is how you normally add it. Now you're going to mess it up. You don't add it directly.
You measure it with a spoon or something.
Don't do that. If all, it almost happened to me now. Salt is better half than too much.
Taste that one first before you know whether to add or not.
Okay. Crayfish, what did the crayfish give me?
Just me bring crayfish. I'm going to be using a lot of spoons today.
Yeah, I need a short spoon for adding condiments and a long piece of stirring.
And you need a flat spoon for collecting food.
Where is the fish? So I've not added any crayfish for now. One spoon. It's enough.
Okay.
So take cover it back.
So this is a soup, should I say it's native to Kogi State. Even the Yorubas eat it a lot. They call it a begiri soup. But in my place, we call it obegwa. It's made with
Obewa.
obewa. Which one is begiri?
I don't know.
We should still be begiri now. They eat it with ewedu. No, yes, ewedu soup. Ewedu. Yeah, the beef soup that they put ewedu and put stew on top. That they eat with amala.
Seriously?
I don't remember.
But I'm not sure if it's begiri or obewa. I know they are the same thing. But please, you can leave your comments in the comment section what it is, whether both are the same. So in my place, we eat it, we cook it purely with beans and protein.
Ready to eat now. From now on, whatever is not fully added should be added afterwards, because you are very careful that you have different people that are going to eat and you have to respect their taste. Not everybody likes too much salt, but not everybody likes too much pepper, and not everybody likes too much spices. Everything is average. The customer deserves his own unique taste. Like that.